how to download and install WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install WhatsApp on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar, type in WhatsApp and search for it. Select the first search result for WhatsApp. Tap the install button. WhatsApp will now begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is completed, you can now use WhatsApp. Tap Open, grant all the necessary permissions, then log into your account if you have one, or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to use WhatsApp. And boom! You have successfully learned how to download and install WhatsApp on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.